Hello all, my name is Gaby and today I'm going to be your interviewer. Right, let's just move on to our first topic discussion, which is the question is, what is your favorite color and why? Maybe can start from Auntie?
Okay, hello Gaby. Thank you for letting me. So honestly, I don't have a specific favorite color, but I remember when I was in elementary or middle school, I used to say that pink was my favorite color, and it was for a long time. But if you ask me now, honestly, I prefer to say that earth tone is my favorite color, like brown soil, green leaf, and cloudy gray sky. These colors feel warm and have a nature-friendly atmosphere. That is why I love it.
And how about Echa and Karin?
Same with Auntie. When I was in elementary school and junior high school, I liked pink because I like Hello Kitty and Barbie cartoons. So I always choose pink for everything that I buy, such as clothes, bags, shoes, and include for my bedroom. But now I almost like all colors, especially the light colors like fuchsia, tosca, red, and others. How about Karin?
Actually, my favorite color depends on my mood, but my current favorite color is green, any shades of green, or to be specific, it's emerald green. Because I don't know why, but green really boosts my mood and it matches my skin tone. And everything's green looks like it's full of peace.
Wow, interesting. And for me, my favorite color is yellow because, in my opinion, yellow represents the cheerful and energetic vibes and emotions. I can get influenced by something yellowish when my mood is gloomy. Okay, to the next question is, how are we influenced by the colors around us?
I think it's because color really creates a psychological effect and biological conditioning. So when someone see the color, it gives different types of vibration. For example, for a fast food industry, they tend to pick a color for the logo, either it's red or yellow because it revs up people's appetite and making them hungry, so it makes them more likely to enter the store and then buy more of their food.
Okay, for me, colors do influence a lot of things around us. They're so interesting, the fact that each color has meaning and psychology of its own. Every color has an unspeakable definition and how it can affect behavior. So color has a powerful communication weight that can be used for signal action, influence mood, even pathological reaction itself.
And last, Echa, what about you?
Almost the same with Auntie and Karin. I think each color has a different character and emotion, so every color influences a different mood to their surroundings. For example, like Gaby said before, yellow gives cheerful and energetic mood, so I think choosing the right color is important in every way.
Nice. I think the colors around us really influence us to do something. Like, for example, when we are going to gym, they should give the green or blue vibes to boost the energy. It will be confused if they put green or if they put gray or black color to it. And the next part is about finding out the synonyms. Reverse to paragraph 1. First statement is, what worries do people have about pain these days, and find out the synonyms of worries and these days from paragraph 1. Shall we start from Echa?
Yes, of course, Gaby. I think the synonyms for worries is get concerned, and the synonyms for this day are 19th century.
Yes, true. From worries we get concern, and from these days we get 19th centuries. Next, number 2 is what was manufactured using the dangerous substances. Find out the synonyms of manufactured and dangerous substances. Now, can Auntie answer it?
Okay, sure. For the synonyms of manufacture, my answer was mass produce. And for the dangerous substance, I think the answer was hazardous chemicals. I'm not sure.
Okay, agree. The manufactured meaning is similar to mass produced and dangerous substances meaning is similar to hazardous chemicals. And last, what long-standing argument has recently come to an end? Find out the synonym of argument and come to an end. Guess, guess it's Karyn's turn.
I think this synonym for what long-standing argument has recently come to an end is it's almost been solved, but correct me if I'm wrong.
Right. Now let's move on to an open discussion question, which is how can you use antonyms and synonyms to help you? Start from Karyn, maybe?
Yes, sometimes I use an antonym and synonym to make my speech, conversation, or writings more richer and colorful. It can emphasize my point, show contrast, and tell exactly what I mean.
For me,
Benesya?
I think that antonyms and synonyms are often used in daily life, especially in talking to other people. First, when I was learning antonyms and synonyms, I thought it was a little boring and unimportant, but it turned out to be very useful for general knowledge.
Okay, for
Yunas?
me, synonyms help me a lot. To be honest, I like writing very much. Write a short story was my favorite activities. When writer block comes out, searching synonyms for words helps me a lot. It can make my story more alive and interesting because I'm not use the same word over and over.
Wow, each of you have a different point of view. And thanks for the opinion. And last question is what do you think is more important? The way something looks or its usefulness? Anti first?
Okay. Honestly, it was an interesting question. For me, usefulness is more important than the way it looks. Why? Because we can feel the benefit and have a direct impact on our wants and need. Meanwhile, there's a lot of pretty things that can be useful. So, in my opinion, I prefer something that can give happiness and a lot of benefit for me. The look was a plus point.
Right.
For me,
And
it's
Karin?
the usefulness because I have to buy something that's full of beneficial, of course. If I buy something only because of it looks and not really useful, and it can be a waste of money, and I will buy another same product but more useful. But sometimes I often pick something by its looks, so it's pretty hard question for me.
Last for Echa?
For me, I think usefulness and the way something looks are both important things. To make a value item, we must make something useful. But to make it interesting, we have to make it have attractive looks too. So both of these things are equally important, but if asked to choose one, I choose usefulness.
Right. Nice one, you guys. You have done a good job and finished today's discussion. Well, hope we can become a better and in each and every meeting in IELTS class, right? See you in the next discussion. Bye.
Okay, thank you
Thank
guys.
Thank you
you. See
guys.
you
See
next time,
you.
Thank you.
guys.